Welcome to GeoVoices. I'm Sarah Johnson.
And I'm Mike Cohen. Today, we're discussing how geologists are using smartphones in the field.
That's right, Mike. It seems the days of geologists carrying heavy equipment might be coming to an end. According to a professional geologist, Ricardo Valls, with over 44 years of experience, all you need now is a hammer and a smartphone.
Fascinating, Sarah. What kind of apps are geologists using?
The star of the show seems to be an app called Clino. It's described as a comprehensive tool that can act as a journal, notebook, and even perform structural analysis.
What about specific geology apps?
Yes, there's Lambert and Faltkin for structural analysis, and Toolbox Pro, which includes a seismometer and Tesla meter. Ricardo even mentioned using the Tesla meter to create maps that rival those made by aerial surveys.
It's amazing how much technology has been packed into our phones. Are there any apps for identifying plants or measuring objects?
Indeed, Picture This can identify plants from photos, and there's a Measure app for sizing objects in the field.
This technology is revolutionizing fieldwork. Any final thoughts, Sarah?
Ricardo emphasizes the importance of taking as many measurements as possible while in the field. With these apps, it's easier than ever to collect comprehensive data with no multiple trips.
Fascinating stuff. Thanks for joining us on GeoVoices. Don't forget to subscribe and like this episode. I'm Mike Cohen.
And I'm Sarah Johnson. Stay tuned for more episodes and tell your friends about this site.
Welcome to the world of geology and earth sciences with Ricardo Valls, a seasoned professional geologist bringing you over 650 videos of unparalleled expertise. Whether you're a budding graduate student, an early career specialist, or a seasoned professional, this channel is your gateway to a wealth of knowledge. Explore a vast array of Earth-related subjects, including geology, geochemistry, structural geology, and the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning in geosciences. Ricardo Valls not only shares his own invaluable insights but also brings you exclusive interviews and collaborations with other prominent geologists, offering a comprehensive view of the field. Stay ahead of the curve with our latest content, covering everything from unraveling the Earth's secrets to exploring global geological phenomena. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your knowledge and stay at the forefront of the industry. Subscribe now, hit that like button, and share this invaluable resource with your colleagues and friends. Join our growing community of over 1,800 earth science enthusiasts and professionals today. Unlock the secrets of the Earth with Ricardo Valls, your top resource for all things geology. The future of geosciences is here. Be part of it.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.